Hi friends, it's Elaine Marie. Thank you for coming back. Well, I did this one the other day. Look at that. It's a great fall picture. And we have some gold in there and we have some orange. Well, this is what I did right now. My whole canvas is blue. Make your blue any shade that you want. Come in right here with your greenery. You can do that with a bristle brush, dab that through. And today we're going to do one big tree. I thought that would be cool with some fall colors in it. Let's get going, and I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, I have a filbert brush here. Let me dampen that out. Okay, and let's get going. We're going to come in with some brown right here. We have brown, yellow, more like a gold tint, and some orange, and of course, some white. Here we go. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's get one big tree and have it coming over right about there. Okay, and I did let that dry, friends. Okay. There you go. Let's get that going. Make a little bump to that tree. Make it a little interesting. There you go. And we're going to branch out a little bit over here. A little bit over here. There you go. And let's go get some branches. And we're going to have that where it's coming right over the water. Oh, that's going to be really cool. And I hope everyone is doing fabulous and enjoying all your painting. Now this is brown. And we're doing right in here. We're going to dab a little white. We're going to mix that in and make our brown just a little bit lighter through here. Why don't we do this? Okay. Alright, just kind of give it a little two-tone color here. We're coming up. There you go. Love it, love it, love it. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to come in with your bristle brush. Okay, I got 3 different sizes. I'm going to come in with this size. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to dab in some orange and press down on that. And we're going to dab. There you go. We're going to dab some of that orange in there. Oh, that's really cool. And then we're going to take a little bit of this orange and we're going to tap it in to the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to tap that off. I'm going to come in with some gold. We're going to press down on that. I'm going to go over our orange. There you go, with some gold. And we're going to do the same thing down here on the bottom. I always got to remember to keep looking down on the camera to make sure. Let's pull that up. There you go. We can make this tree. I like that. I'm going to go now to my smaller bristle brush. Let me see what we're going to do. Let's just dab a little white into that. A little white down here. We're going to tap that off because it's fall. We have a lot of different colors, don't we, in the fall? Oh, I love that. There's some orange. Now we're going to take the small one. We're going to dab a little bit up on top here. That is so pretty. So, so, so pretty. And now we're going to take a little bit of that orange, friends. Now watch. Lightly just do a little tap at a distance. Here you go. Just a little bit. Hey? That's showing you the fullness all the way here. There you go in the background. Fall is one of my favorite time of the year. Now we can dab that off, and if you want, we can come in with a little white. Let's lighten up that orange if you want. It just gives it a little bit of another color. I love it. And you can do as much orange as you want, as much yellow as you want. I do like the orange because it really, really jumps out at you. Look at that, friends. Look at that. Very, very cool. I love it. And I love the bottom. Get your little leaves falling right down here on the bottom. All different colors. We got some colors going on right here in the background. I love it. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this up a little further up here. Right? Here, I like that. Okay, we're going to dab that, but you can use the same brush. Okay, let's get some gold going on. A little gold. And that's the color I see as the leaves. All turning. And then what you might want to do, take a little bit, little bit of that brown. Exactly. Put a little bit of that brown in there. Alright, just dab that with your bristle brush. Oh, I just love this. This is really, really cool. Friends, I love it very, very much, and I hope yours is looking as great as this. It's a wonderful, wonderful fall. A fall tree, all the foliage, right over the water. Well, friends, thank you for joining me, and I can't wait for you to join me in the next video. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you again, or join you again. Bye-bye.